Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Oakwood, Georgia today. This morning it's about 9:15. This is a 6-area job. As you can see, there's a little bit of heavily soiling there. A little bit of a traffic pattern in the living room. Down the hallway into the 3 bedrooms. There's not much to clean in the bedrooms because there's a lot of furniture in them. One of the things that we do, and we train our locations to do, that we consult with, is when you're booking a job, when you're sending reminders, etc. For example, we sent a confirmation text message to the client saying, hey, please have everything you would like moved up off the carpet and please vacuum to make things quicker for us. So everything that's here is obviously staying here. Now, that doesn't affect the price of what we charge. Because we explain, we clean all the exposed carpet. So if the carpet's not exposed, we don't clean it. And they know that going in. So this is a 6-area job. So this is going to be a $240 job. Like I said, it's about 9:15. So we're going to knock this out. And then I am actually going to slide that recliner back a little bit because you can't really see it. I don't think we're well on the camera here, but there's some heavily soiling right along there, and what appears to be an area rug that was in this area here. So we'll get this knocked out and we'll shoot us an after video. Okay guys, as you can see, it's about 10 o'clock. We just finished up this job. Everything came out really well. Still drying, obviously. We got the 2 fans on that are in the house on. Everything has been clean. Got a nice deodorizer down so it smells a lot fresher in here. Not much shows up on this video. It's the lighting in here. This is definitely an older house, probably built in the 70s. Maybe the 80s, but probably the 70s. So it was the 5 areas up here and then the stairs. So that's the after. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. We do charge 3% if you run a credit card. That's what they charge us, so we just pass along that to the customers, which we let them know that on the front end. Otherwise, it's, whatever we quote exactly. Give us a call, 404-500-9853, if you're interested in getting in to the carpet cleaning floor care business. We do consult with that. 404-500-9853. Thanks.